राम का लेके नाम करेंगे चलो राम का काम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय जय राम। हो राम का लेके नाम करेंगे चलो राम का काम। श्री राम जय राम, श्री राम जय जय राम। राम ही शक्ति राम ही भक्ति, हो राम ही शक्ति राम ही भक्ति, राम पुण्य का धाम। रामचंद्र की जय, रामचंद्र की जय, रामचंद्र की जय, रामचंद्र की जय, रामचंद्र की
Ladies and gentlemen, the stage is set for the ultimate showdown, the eternal battle between dharma and adharma, between good and evil. After the forging of alliances and the heroic journey to Lanka, the time has finally come for Sri Ram's army to face Ravana's forces in a clash that will echo through ages.
On one side, we have Sri Ram's army, an embodiment of strength, courage, and immense loyalty. Every warrior, from the valiant Vanar Sena, led by Hanumanji, to the brave Nalanil, stands united in the name of truth. Together, they are more than just an army. They are the living force of Dharma.
On the opposite side stands the mighty Ravan, proud, arrogant, and fueled by the forces of darkness. His army, powerful and ruthless, is led by warriors whose strength is only matched by their devotion to their king. Yet, no force, however mighty, can prevail against truth. Ravan's arrogance and delusion will soon meet their end.
The divine war is vividly described in these verses. धरि कुधर खंड प्रचंड मरकट भालू गढ़ पर डारही, झपटहि चरण गहि पटकी महि भज चलत बहुरी पचारही, अति तरल तरुण प्रताप तर पहि तम की गढ़ चढ़ चढ़ गए, कपि भालू चढ़ी मंदिर निजह दे राम जसु गावत भये। वानर और भालू अपने पराक्रम के साथ दुर्ग पर आक्रमण करने लगे। एक एक वानर चार चार राक्षसों को फेंक रहा था, कोई तलवार से, कोई गदा से, कोई मुष्टि प्रहार करके, और ऐसे ही वानर और भालू मंदिर के ऊपर जा जाकर भगवान श्री राम का यशगान कर रहे थे।
The Vanar Sena launches a fierce assault. Hurling mountain fragments at the fortress, they pull down demons, smashing them to the ground, before triumphantly roaring the battle cries and singing Sri Ram's praises.
Amidst the chaos, the ferocity of the warriors is unparalleled. बोलहि जो जय जय मुंड रुंड प्रचंड सिर बिनु धावहि, खब्बर ने खग अलुच्चि छुच्चहि सुबट भट न डहावहि, बानर निशाचर निकर मरदहि राम बल दर्पित भय, संग्राम अंगन सुबट सोवहि राम सर निकरनि है। सारे राक्षसगण त्राहिमाम करते हुए भाग रहे थे और भगवान राम अपने बाणों से राक्षस जाति का विनाश कर रहे थे। वहीं वानर राक्षसों के सर शरीर से अलग कर रहे थे। गदा, बर्छी, खप्पर जिसके हाथ में जो था वे उसे प्रहार करने लगे।
Sri Ram takes up a fearsome arrow to strike at the very source of Ravan's power, the nectar of immortality stored in his navel. With his bow, Sri Ram kills Ravan and he falls. डोली भूमि गिरत दस कंकर, चुभित सिंधु सरी दिग्गज भूधर, धरनी परे दो खंड बढ़ाए, चापी भाल
trembles, mountains quake, and the sea churns. His massive form lies lifeless, marking the end of tyranny and the triumph of righteousness.
Thus concludes the great battle, marking not just the victory of Sri Ram, but the eternal triumph of Dharma over Adharma, of good over evil, and of light over darkness.
Let us now witness the epic clash of the titans, the battle that defines eternity in Gatha Raghunandan Ki.
तुम हो नभ में, तुम हो थल में, वायु अग्नि जल में, तुम ही तो थे, तुम ही तो हो, आते जाते पल में, पुरुषोत्तम हो सर्वोत्तम हो, तुम हो हमारी शान, हो रोम रोम में बसने वाले हैं जीवों के प्राण हमारे राम, हमारे राम, हमारे राम, हमारे राम नाम से पत्थर तैरे, रास्ता छोड़े सागर गहरे, राम नाम की महिमा भारी, सुर नर मुनि सब बने पुजारी, देवों के देव संतों के संत, सृष्टि के तुम हो आदि अंत हो, नीति ग्रंथ के तुम अध्याय, तुम ही सब अभिप्राय, निरंतर हो चिरंतर हो, तुम हो हमारी शान, हो रोम रोम में बसने वाले हैं जीवों के प्राण हमारे राम, हमारे राम, हमारे राम, हमारे
मैं हूं चतुर्दश भवनों का अति भयंकर लंकेश्वर दशकंठ रावणा। मैं हूं सर्वत्र सर्वस्वतंत्र नदा प्रबुद्ध रावणा। इस पूरे ब्रह्मांड को अपने बल से हिलाकर रख सकता हूं मैं। मेरी एक हुंकार से सारी सृष्टि में प्रलय आ जाती है। महाज्ञानी, पराक्रमी, महाशक्तिशाली प्रचंड रावणा। मैं हूं प्रचंड रावणा।
रावणं 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 दशग्रीवा रावणं 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 दशग्रीवा रावणं 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 दशग्रीवा रावणं 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 दशग्रीवा रावणासुरा। लंकापति रावण रावण दशकंठा लंकापति रावण रावण दशकंठा लंकापति रावण रावण दशकंठा लंकापति रावणासुरा। हीरा बना लाल धरा तू शौर्य दिखा जहाँ दुष्ट विदुषा ताड़ रहा है कीन हृदय में गाड़ रहा घने अंधकार में तुम्हें छटा बलि वेदी सजी गतिरोध हटा छल मरमर जस्वन स्वामी भरा दुष्कर्म अधर्म का है पहरा शत्रु मूल तीरा भजरानी विजय का लहरा चले अग्निशिखा सा दशहरा उन्माद क्रोध का दशहरा है धर्म न्याय का दशहरा है लक्ष्य विजय का दशहरा
Yes, dear parents, please, since I know you are here since 4 or 5 p.m., but it's a matter of hardly 10 minutes. Dispersal will be from the stage. Please don't enter in the school. That is not safe for the students, and means you are troubling us also. पूरा सिस्टम हमारा बिगड़ रहा है. आपसे हाथ जोड़ के निवेदन है, स्टेज से ही बच्चों का डिस्पर्सल किया जाएगा. आप बस 15-20 मिनट और रुकिए और पूरा प्रोग्राम देख के जाइए. थैंक यू.
Ladies and gentlemen, after the journey of trials, sacrifice and ultimate triumph, we now stand at a moment of divine fulfillment. Shri Ram has returned to Ayodhya and the glorious Ram Darbar stands before us, a sanctum of truth and justice, where Dharma reigns supreme.
Goswami Tulsidas ji describes it in his beautiful words by saying,
अयोध्या नगरी को सजाया गया, घर घर पे दीपक जलाए गए और जब श्री राम आए तो हर नर नारी उत्सव करने लगा.
This court is more than a royal assembly. It is the embodiment of Ramayana's ideal, where Shri Ram sits as the guiding light of truth, virtue, and sacrifice. Seated alongside him are Ma Sita, the epitome of compassion, and Lord Ram and Lakshman, the symbol of courage and devotion.
Goswami Tulsidas ji describes it by saying,
प्रभु दिलों की मुनि मनन रागा, तुरत दिव्य सिंहासन मागा, रवि सम तेज सुबरन न जाई, बैठे राम द्विजन सिरुनाई।
इस उत्सव को महोत्सव में बदल दिया गया। श्री राम को पुनः राज सिंहासन पर सुशोभित किया गया। नया सिंहासन जो सूर्य के समान चमक रहा था, ऐसे दिव्य सिंहासन पर अयोध्या के नए राजा श्री राम विराजमान हुए।
Dear audience, as we stand in the divine presence of Sri Ram Darbar, let us reflect on the ideals of Ramayana, the virtues of dharma, justice and devotion.
Now, let us prepare our hearts for the sacred Aarti of Lord Ram. This is not just a ritual, it is a moment of divine connection where we unite in love and devotion for Sri Ram and his eternal virtues.
So let us join our voices in this final offering of Lord Ram. The divine Aarti of Lord Ram may it inspire us to live lives full of compassion, truth and humility, just as taught by Sri Ram.
Dear audience, let the sacred energy of this Aarti fill our hearts with peace and determination to walk the path of Dharma illuminated by Sri Ram's. Let us witness this divine moment of Gatha
Raghunandan ki.
श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम कंदर्प गणित अमित छवि नव नील नीरद सुंदरम पटपीत मानहु तडित रुचि सुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम शिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारु उदार अंग विभूषणम आजानुभुज शर चाप धर संग्राम जित कर दूषणम भज दीन बंधु दिनेश दानव दैत्य वंश निकंदनम रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल चंद दशरथ नंदनम इति वदति तुलसीदास शंकर शेष मुनि मनरंजनम मम हृदय कंज निवास कुरु कामादिखल दल गंजनम मनुजाहि राचेहु मिलहि सोबरु सहज सुंदर सावरु करुणा निदान सुजान शील स्नेहु जानत रावरो एहि बाति गौरी असीम सुनि सिय सहित हिय हर्षियलि तुलसी भवानी पूजि पूनि मुदित मन मंदिर चले सो जानि गौरी अनुकूल सिय हिय हर्षु न जाय कहीं मंजूल मंगल मूल बाम अंग पहका न लगे श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम।
I request all the parents to switch the flashes of their phone on. I request all the parents to switch the flashes of their phone on.
सुन्दरं समस्तपापखण्डनं स्वभक्तचित्तरञ्जनं सदैव राममन्त्रयम्
मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी जब वसु दशरथ अचल बिहारी
जलाकलापशोभितं समस्तपापनाशकं स्वभक्तभीतिभञ्जनं भजेह राममन्त्रयम् निजस्वरूपबोधकं कृपाकरं भवापहं समं शिवं निरञ्जनं भजेह राममन्त्रयम्
धीरज धर्म मित्र अरुणारी आपद काल पर किए तारी
सदा प्रपञ्चकल्पितं ह्यनामरूपवास्तवं निराकृतिं निरामयं भजेह राममन्त्रयम् विष्णुपञ्चकर्मकल्पनिर्मलं निरामयं चिदीर्घरूपसन्ततं भजेह राममन्त्रयम्
रघुकुल रीति सदा चली आई प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए
शेषदेहकल्पितं गुणाकरं कृपाकरं भजेह राममन्त्रयम् महासुवाक्यबोधकैर्विराजमानवाक्पदे परं च ब्रह्मव्यापकं भजेह राममन्त्रयम् शिवप्रदं सुखप्रदं भवज्जिरं भवामहं विराजमानदेशिकं भजेह राममन्त्रयम्
हरि अनंत हरि कथा अनंता कहि सुनहि बहु विधि सब सुनता
जय राम श्री राम 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 जय
रामचंद्र भगवान की
राम राम भवन्नारं नागारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् आर्तायामार्तिरन्तारं दीपानां भयनाशनं विशदं कालखण्डन्तं रामचन्द्रं नमाम्यहम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय नमः श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम राम वदामि सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम राम वदामि
हरि अनंत हरि
सियावर
कथा
रामचंद्र की
हरि अनंत हरि कथा अनंता कहही सुनी बहुविधि सब संता रामचंद्र के चरित सुहाए कलब कोटि लगी जाही न गाए.
The glories of Sri Ram and the divine Ramayana are infinite, as are the ways to narrate and understand them.
With deep reverence and utmost sincerity, we have made every possible effort to present the sacred life story of the noblest human ever lived on the earth, with respect and devotion. Yet, as mere mortals, any error in depiction or interpretation are solely our shortcomings.
We seek forgiveness from Sri Ram, Mata Sita, Hanumanji, and all the devotees for any mistake. May their blessings guide us.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time we acknowledge the hearts and hands that brought this incredible event to life.
An event of this magnitude is never the result of one person's effort. It is the culmination of teamwork, dedication, and unwavering commitment of many.
So, to extend our deepest gratitude to all those who contributed in making this annual function a magnificent success, let's invite our director, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, over to our director, ma'am.
you.
Thank you everyone to be present here and give your precious time for this wonderful event. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. These wonderful lines are given by William Arthur Ward. Wishing a divine evening to one and all present here as we draw the curtains on Celestia 2024, our heartfelt tribute to Gatha Raghunandan ki. I stand here with immense gratitude and admiration for everyone who made this grand celebration possible. It has been a journey of collaboration, creativity, and unwavering dedication. To begin, I extend my deepest gratitude to the school management for their unwavering support and encouragement. And to our principal, Mr. Manoj Bajpai sir, whose vision and guidance illuminated the path to this splendid event. To my fellow directors, Mr. Vijay Singhal, Mr. Ajay Singhal, Mr. Pankaj Porwal, your leadership, planning, and enthusiasm have been pivotal in orchestrating this beautiful evening. To our dear teachers, thank you for nurturing every student and preparing with them for this mesmerizing showcase. Your tireless efforts, patience, and creativity have truly borne fruit today. And to our remarkable students, you are the stars of this evening. Your performances brought Shri Ram's story to life, and your passion and dedication were evident in every sense and act. To the dance department, your artistry brought grace, energy, and emotion to each and every performance and the move. To the music department, your soulful, compassionate compositions added heart and rhythm to today's celebration. And especially when the keyboard was played with the chopais, that was really great. A heartfelt round of applause to the comparing team for weaving a seamless narration and bringing the story alive with your eloquence. To the props team, your creativity transformed our stage into a vibrant canvas, adding authenticity and charm to our storytelling. To the PPT and effects team, thank you for creating visually enchanting presentations, which added a lot to every performance. To the sequencing and backstage team, the energy I can see from sitting there, your coordination, your proactiveness ensured seamless transition between the acts. Thank you for the admin team for ensuring every logistical detail that was perfect. To the mess team for keeping us refreshed and energized. To the housekeeping team for maintaining cleanliness and order. To the transport department for safe and timely travel. To the security team for ensuring safety throughout this grand event. A heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Swapnil Kothari, and our guest of honor who could not be here today because he is not well, Mr. Priyank Jain. Thank you for gracing this occasion with your presence and inspiring words. Your encouragement motivates us to strive for excellence. A special thanks to all the parents and guardians for supporting your children every step to the way, for trusting us, sending them late evening for the practice to make sure that their performance comes out wonderful. For encouragement played a vital role in their brilliant performances. A heartfelt acknowledgement to our social media agency for capturing and sharing the essence of Celestia 2024 with the world. To our photography team for immortalizing their precious movements through your lenses. To the light and sound team for adding magic and vibrancy to every scene. To the decorators for transforming the venue in a reflective set of Ramayan, our theme. to Praram Garden Management for providing a beautiful space to host this grand celebration. As we close Celestia 2024, I carry immense gratitude in my heart for everyone present here who contributed to this masterpiece. Let us take the virtues of Shri Ram into our lives, spreading truth, devotion, and resilience in that whatever we do. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram.
We express our heartfelt thanks to our esteemed Director Ma'am and Principal Sir. Your wisdom and guidance has always been our guiding light. It is their leadership, wisdom, encouragement, and unwavering support that inspires us to reach greater heights. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would request you all to stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन